Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that best wallet token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, best wallet is the native utility token of the best wallet ecosystem, a secure non-custodial crypto wallet that integrates DeFi staking and early stage token opportunities available on Ethereum ERC20 and BNB Smart Chain BEP20. Best will power a range of in-app benefits, including reduced transaction fees, early access to curated token launches, higher staking rewards, and governance rights over ecosystem developments. Best Wallet supports multiple blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, Polygon, Base, and Solana, combining essential wallets tools with advanced features like an integrated DEX launchpad, cross-chain swaps, staking aggregator, and Web3 rewards. The platform upcoming on-chain debit card will enable crypto sending in store and online with potential cashback in best wallet token. Total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is 642.85 million. Best token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.